St. Jude, so I'm off to free my youth. St. Jude, so I'm gonna free my daughter, yeah. Ariana, yo, where she there? Lionheart, hey, Lionheart, yo, Lionheart, hey, Ariana, yo, Lionheart, hey, Lionheart. St. Jude's home. Me say free my daughter there, eh? I say free my daughter there. She lose her mother and her grandmother. Lionheart grow her, free me daughter there. Oh your auntie so evilous, mischievous. Gonna put me daughter in a home for what? Eh? Poor us, sure us. Are you rich like us? Ha! Fire burning. So me talk to the social worker working. No care what you're concerning. If you're this, my youth heads will be rolling and tables turning. St. Jude's home, free me daughter there. Me need to talk for who no. Yeah, no police no feel lay hand pon me child. She a superstar from she a juvenile. Like una go crazy or wild. Know what una do with me child. Yeah, Lionheart, Ariana Falmont. Tell them free me daughter there. St. Jude's home, free me daughter there. Anything happen to my child, remember me want the eye. She no commit no crime. St. Jude's home, free me daughter there. Ariana have me child. Rich millionaire like the eye. What? You must say crazy, free me daughter there. St. Jude's home, free me daughter there. Lion from Zion, and we tougher than a piece of pipe, iron. And you don't know well we have a rich as Zion. But the wicked man a try disturbance. Well the youth them clean and pure. Them don't rate the youth hot them for sure. The youth is kind and very vibesy. And everybody want try hurt she. And what them do? Put me daughter in a home. St. Jude's free me daughter there. And what the bumper rascal this? Them want push bottle in a me daughter private. You get me piss? This? What? Lion. What? A the lion from Zion. And me tougher than a piece of pipe, iron. And I nobody know for this the lion. Ariana Falmont link with the lion. And tell me to free me daughter there. St. Jude's home, free me daughter there. Hey, wanna free me daughter there. Me bring her forward, free me daughter there. Yeah, from since 2012 me I watch documentary children and run away. Until this day, if you're treating children good, they will never run away. Something not right, and the youths them putting up a fight. Resistance in the day and the night. St. Jude's home, do what's right. Tell my daughter to me. Yeah. Free me daughter there. St. Jude's home, free me daughter. St. Jude's, do the right thing. Heal the right king.